All right, so what we're gonna do here is I got this marked. You maybe can't see very well. Marked here and here, and on the back side got that marked. And what I'm gonna do there is I'm gonna take that out down to the bottom edge on the inside and up, and I'm going to come right across this edge here. So basically I'm going to end up with an angle iron here that I need to replace. So I'll start with that, and then later we're going to work on this piece right here and probably incorporate that little mess right there. Okay, so get to work, right? Yep, here we go. Okay, here's where we are with that. So we've got that cut out. I've got to do some more grinding on that yet. And then I'm going to build an angle iron patch for that. And we'll go from there. I'll get that put in. And then I'm going to work on the rusty piece here as well. I may do something up in this region here with those large pits there. I may try and weld those shut a little bit. Butter them up a little and grind them down. That's what I'm thinking I'll try. It's pretty thick metal, pretty thick. I think it's like 14 gauge. I don't know, I've got some 14 and 16 here. We'll see which it is. And I've got something else I was going to discuss with everybody. I went to the hardware store today. No, not the hardware store. I went to the industrial supply store today to pick up some grinding discs, zip cut discs, and some N95s or some kind of face mask. And the fellow tells me we're not going to have any until after the pandemic. So what? All the guys who work in industry and want to work at home on their hobbies and that have to grind without a mask? Or do we all have to, you know, purchase, like I wouldn't probably wear this one anymore, but you know, maybe we all have to purchase that style of a mask now with those style filters. I don't know. No more personal face masks anyway. And I find it kind of find that odd. I think that we as Canadians and Americans should be able to do better than that. Why is it that only the medical people are getting these masks? I believe there's other uses for them, and I know there's huge stockpiles of them somewhere. So let's have some, people. What do you all think? Let me know. Okay, so here we are. I'm installing this piece of angle iron from here to here. That'll be basically butt welded, not necessarily butt welded, but welded on a 45 anyway. And then I'm going to be welding up from here across, and then I'll be removing this piece here, and we're going to try and build a new one. So anyway, I just wanted to show my progress on that. I'll zoom around to the other side. Hang on a second here. Okay, so here we are. That's what we're looking like along that edge. Basically took it down the metal thickness so that this top would fit flat, and I'm going to weld in all along that edge, and the same here. So We're fitting nice and flush on the inside, top, all around. Yeah, things are looking pretty good there, so gonna carry on. Okay, thanks everybody. Okay, so I have cut out the piece. So this sat this way, and that fit in over there, and it was shaped. Like this, basically the other way, and then stamped back down. Anyway, so I've flattened that piece out, and I'm going to try and make a pattern with that. Kind of deformed because that was a pressed piece, and when I flattened out that 1/2 inch shoulder lip down, when I flattened that, it kind of stretched the opposite corner here due to the softness of the metal. Anyway, I'll be working on that for a bit, and then so as you can see, I've got that piece all tacked in there, and this piece will fit right up to the base of that, and then our cross member will be back in place, much as we have there, but the new one that I have made, that's right there on the wheel. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Thanks for watching. Okay everybody, it's Brad. So just been carrying on with the 26 here, fixing up these rusty cross members, and yeah, this is like the substructure for everything, for the car, for the body. Anyway, so here's the pieces. I still got the 2 tabs actually right here and here, and those will fit in those 2 spots there, and a little bit of welding, and welding along here, just fitting. Hand built that little piece there. Had the other stuff formed today. I cut out the piece for it, had that formed, and things are looking good. Yeah, things are looking good. Okay, so we're off for the night, so we'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, thanks everybody. Hi everybody, working on the Model T tonight again. Still working on fabricating a door sill and some support for the body, replacing the rusted out sections, and making myself feel somewhat safe. Okay, so I'm going to switch around here and show you where we left off last night. Okay, there we are. That's where I left off last night. Coming together. Hand formed piece there, and I had the other one bent on a brake, and still got a couple small pieces there that I'm working on right now, and the one of them here marked out. Here it is. So this piece is I'm gonna be trimming that down. I'm gonna trim that down to the front of that white line so that we can get a good fit in there like that, and then yeah. Anyway, so that's what we're working on right at this moment, and I'm just going to carry on with that process, and I'll show you guys a bit of the welding and stuff like that, and we'll talk to you in a bit. going on? Hi. Hey.
Don't dump Dad's phone.
Mr. Happy. Mr. Happy guy. Mr. Happy guy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's fun. All right, we're taking a short break.